Monologue 1.
Hi, I'm Chantel Garcia, and I'm 11 years old. Hi. Hello. I'm Mia. It's stopped raining. I'm really no good at speech making. Normally, I get so nervous that I faint or run away, and sometimes I even get sick. But you really didn't need to know that. Anyway, I'm not so afraid anymore. Not since my father helped me. Earlier this evening, I had every intention of giving up my claim to the throne. And then my mother helped me by telling me it was okay, and by supporting me like she has my whole entire life. But that's when I have to realize, after abdicating my role as Princess of Genovia, would I feel relieved or would I feel sad? And that's when I think how many stupid times a day I use the word I. And probably all I ever do is think about myself. And how lame is that when there's like 7 billion other people out there on the planet? And if I cared about those other 7 billion people out there instead of just myself, it is probably a much better use of my time. And maybe, just maybe, my thoughts and the thoughts of people smarter than me could be turned into actions. So earlier this morning, when I woke up, I was Mia Thermopolis. But now, I choose to be forevermore Miria Mionette Thermopolis Rinaldi, Princess of Genovia.